In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude inside Microsoft Excel to build a live advertising dashboard, pulling real data from Google Ads and Meta Ads through InsightfulPipe. On InsightfulPipe, the Google Ads and Facebook Ads accounts are already connected. Now, on the MCP servers page, you can see there are individual MCP servers for each platform, but we'll use the master InsightfulPipe MCP server because it can access all the platforms connected to your InsightfulPipe account instead of needing a separate connector for each one. In Claude, go to Settings Connectors and add a custom connector with the InsightfulPipe MCP URL. Click Connect to authorize access, and the connector is now active. In Excel Online, open the Claude add-in from the sidebar. Make sure InsightfulPipe MCP is enabled in the connector settings. Ask Claude to build an advertising performance dashboard using data from Google Ads and Meta Ads. Claude pulls the campaign data from both platforms through InsightfulPipe. And here's the finished dashboard with platform summaries, campaign breakdowns, and trend charts. All built automatically by Claude in Excel using live data from InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit InsightfulPipe.com today.